3, 2, 1. Hello guys and welcome back to Crypto for another video. And it looks like today it's going to be a pretty rocky day, and it has been a pretty rocky day, should I say, with some of these meme coins. It looks like DiCaprio has been, well, dropping like it's hot. It's currently at 31% down. If you look at Chloe is roughly around about 12%, not as bad as Cheers token, because we are bouncing in that last level of region. But if we look at Success Kid, guys, we have just broken down from this level over here. And yes, so we're gonna have a nice little deep dive what's going on with most of these memes, including Bcoq INU. However, in the long haul, guys, I'm still ultra bullish. But for the short term, if you're looking for your short term gains, then yes, guys, that is looking like it's not going to happen, or at least for now. But stay vigilant, be patient, add more to your bags, because guess what, guys, we are going to have that skyrocket feeling coming up in the next several months. So why don't we crack on with Cheers token and check out what's going on with the charts. So starting from today, guys, we are 31% down. We can see a massive engulfing bearish candle right over here on the 4-hourly charts. If we zoom out further on the daily chart, it looks like, yes, that we are literally on the verge of breaking down below this level right over here. Just going to zoom in a bit more so we can get a bit more of an accurate reading. Ooh, that is not looking good, guys. Yep, check this out, guys. So currently with this massive daily candle, we saw a massive wick to the upside, and then we pull back down with a wick at the bottom. This is almost like an indecision candle. However, an indecision candle has to have a smaller body with an equal length, or both long wicks to the up and to the down. This looks a bit more bearish to me because we've got quite a large body, well, quite a large candle right over here, and we are currently testing the last bit, or the last area of supports. And if we do break out we've actually breached out, well, below the larger or the longer rectangle box over here. If we stay below here, guys, and we close below here and open another candle below, then we should be expecting a much further move to the downside. So we should be looking for the move back down into this level that kick-started off this massive run to the upside. And I wouldn't be all too surprised, guys, because if we look to our left, this is just clear invalidation. So it looks like if we do come back down, we need to retest here in order for us to kickstart and restart the move back up to the top. That would sound more plausible, because once we do come back and fill this area right over here, guys, then it looks like we have no further gaps here, and we should head away back up to the top. It will take longer in that case for us to get back to the last all-time highs for Cheers token. However, I wouldn't be surprised if we do see this move back up to the top over the next several months. It just means the more further we'll pull back, the longer it will take for us to get back to its all-time highs and beyond. Because we gotta look at a couple of facts. One, the marketing push and marketing team behind the token is simply pretty decent, and on top of that, the market cap is only $425,000. Well, actually, you know what, guys, that's a mistake. The total market cap is $954,000. So that means we can easily do 10x from here, which will give us less than 10 mil. It would be roughly around about 9.5 mil. 10x from here, 100x from here, it would be like $95 million market cap. It is all extremely doable, but it just means you gotta be patient and be in it to win it for the long haul. So until then, guys, whether we do come up and down and bounce around the left of the place doesn't really make much of a difference, because ultimately we will see that massive push The question is, where are you looking to enter, and can you hold it or continuously add more deep bags from here, as we will be going up soon, and that is only just a question of time. But over to you guys, are you ultra bullish on this project, or has the sentiment faded? Are you a large holder of Cheese token, or are you looking to sell? Let me know in the comments. Guys, this is a golden opportunity for us to pick up even more Cheese token at around about this level, and if it drops down, guys, treat it like Christmas. You will get plenty of these tokens in hand, which means you can get a lot more crazier gains in the future. So hold on to this token, guys. It's not financial advice, just telling you exactly what I've been going through and seen and experienced in the past before the bull season. And yes, guys, I have simply gained a lot from it, but most importantly, I've gained the knowledge and the nerve of steel from the last bull market. And if some of you have been around the last bull market and the one before, I'm sure you know exactly what I'm talking about. So now you should be all set, locked and ready to see us go absolute parabolic soon with Cheese token, and I have no doubt that we can do that. So anyway, let's move on to Chloe. Chloe, on the other hand, looks a bit more bullish compared to Cheese token, because ultimately we're still ranging in this level over here. If we do bounce from here, we should only be expecting an easier move to the upside and stay in a reasonably better shape of the price action, because if we zoom out a little bit more, this would look ideal if we're still ranging here and ultimately making our way up to at least back into the zone here. Once that happens, guys, then I'll be super bullish that we should be able to break through that last resistance line before pushing ultimately even much further to the highs. This can be done. In fact, it will look a lot more healthier, like I said, than the rest of the meme coins that I've been speaking about today. So we won't say too much about Chloe at the minute, because only until we break much further down, guys, it's quite easy. Just add a lot more deep bags around this level here. And if you touch here, guys, I'll be adding shitloads. I won't lie to you guys at all, because from here, I reckon we'll be off to the races. And if it does come back, or at least wick into this level, so from here today, guys, that will give me an easy 700% move to the upside. But from down here all the way to the top, to the last highs, guys, this can give me a quite an easy, or us, 3657%. Even if we measure from the current price, it's still going to be a massive gains, guys, and this won't be the only gains we'll be seeing in this bull season. I can imagine that we should be expecting a lot more higher price coming in for Chloe. Question is, at what point are you gonna decide to enter or add a lot more to your bags in order for you to see massive gains? Because even though I've been accumulating and been trading this coin, I'm looking to add even more once we do come back down much further, because the upside to a much lower price target will give me a massive percentage in gains. So I'm never going to be fearful. I'm always going to be adding a lot more to my bags with Chloe, especially if it dips. But currently, guys, it does look a lot more healthier in comparison to Cheers token, and I can see better things will come. I'm not comparing the two, but good things coming out from Chloe itself. Let's move over to Success Kid, and currently, guys, yes, it looks like we have officially broken down from this support level, and as we have broken down the last line of supports that I should bring to your attention, it would be, yeah, there's a couple of wicks area over here. Now these are the, yeah, a liquidity grab from here to there. You could even argue this one here could also be a liquidity grab. However, if we remain an engulfing bearish candle like this, we should be expecting a lot more further down. So from at least in a short term, we should be expecting a lot more move to the downside. How much further can we go down? Not quite sure, guys. I'm going to have to see over the next few days if we're seeing a massive sell-off for Success Kid. I might need to go on the socials and go check out what's going on with the project, just to see what's going on with Success Kid in general, or maybe the meme is just simply dying off because people are no longer having any interest. Sorry guys, I'm starting to lose my voice now because I've been talking quite a lot today in my day job and been doing quite a lot of crypto events for the past several hours. So please just bear with me. So there's no need for us to continue to talk about Success Kid right now because we have broken out quite literally or on the verge of breaking much further to the downside. We're going to have to come back tomorrow and see the state of Success Kid. Until then, we can just quickly move swiftly over to Bcoq INU. Now with Bcoq INU, the total market cap is at 2.8 million. And yes guys, we've made this lovely move to the upside. However, we are currently holding this level here. If we do break down this level, we should be expecting a retest back down to the area where we broken up from, right over around about here. Just going to zoom in a bit more guys, just so you can see what I see. Alright, now this could look like a potentially pretty decent reversal back to the top soon. The reason why I say that is because as we made this move from all the way from here back down to this level here, we then came back up quite swiftly. We then pull back to retest this level or below like support. Obviously we didn't just bounce off right from the top, we had to pull back a little bit deeper in order for us to continue to move our way to the top. However, now that we've broken the structure from this massive move to the upside, it looks like if this engulfing bearish candle stands the way it is or closes off like this, we should at least come back into this level here. What I will do guys, just so you can see and follow along exactly what I'm saying, is by drawing the rectangle box. So if we don't break above this level, the next level we should be keeping an eye out for, it will be down here. And then if we do break below there, then the next level will be even much further down to around about here, almost like a retest of right back there. So as long as we hold here, we should be able to flip that and cross above this resistance where we did previously, just above, went above it. We still need to clear this invalidation over here. We pretty much have done so with this move here, which means if we do pull back to where we are now, if we reverse, the next area which should be heading up would be right up here. Now if you're looking for like just a simple day trade and you enter here and you're targeting right up there, that will give you an easy 30% move to the upside. But I would always wait for a confirmation. That confirmation is if this red candle stays as it is and the next one becomes like a smaller green candle, then I'd be waiting on the next candle for possible entry to the move to the upside. But I still need to see not this candle, not the next potential green candle, but the one after, how it opens up. If that candle opens up in green and is larger than this potential green that could emerge after this candle, then that could be a reason for an entry, a move to the upside. So until then guys, I'm holding off and watching vigilantly what goes on with Bcoq INU. Otherwise, if we do pull even further down, guess what guys, I'm still going to be adding a lot more to my bags because ultimately I am bullish on this token, and I reckon we can, or should I say, I reckon we should be able to see an easy 100x from this token, and I'm still super bullish on Bcoq INU. So there you have it guys. So we discussed today Bcoq INU, Success Kid, Chloe and Cheers token. If you would like to learn on how to trade the way that I do guys, it's quite simple. If you head over to my Patreon, which you'll find link in my info section, I can show you exactly how I can train you or teach you to trade the way that I do in less than an hour. on the Total Crypto 23 trading coach for £17 per month or $20 depending where you are from around the world. This way I can show you exactly how you can do it on a live demo account, which we could both practice with each other. Well, more as I'm teaching you how to do the most easiest trade setups. That way I'll have you been practicing on several charts to get you understanding how, if you follow step by step in one or two particular systems, then you should be able to find an easy entry and an exit plan for your trades. But if you want to skip the process of trading and you much rather want to receive a trade course telling you exactly where to enter and where to exit, then you might as well head over to my crypto trade alerts. That way I can send you a screenshot within the Telegram group, which is a private group, of course. It only costs £8.50 per month or $10 in the US or wherever you are from around the world. And that way I can give you a trade call, give you a trade setup via the screenshot within the Telegram group. And that way you know when to enter, when to exit, so you can make a simple trades as potentially like this, where if we see the next candle forming, then I'll point to an arrow when to enter and when to exit. Then I can also give you a lot more trade calls on various coins. Some will be from centralized exchanges, some will be from decentralized exchanges, but it all depends on your risks appetite. If you'd like to expose yourself to a higher risk to receive higher rewards, there will be some options for you there. Otherwise I will be throwing in the Telegram group with all the trade setups from at least most of the centralized exchanges, because I presume most of you will be on there. But I can also let you guys request for centralized, decentralized exchanges, and even coins you would like me to look into to give you a trade call setups. But anyway guys, I'm going to leave it as it is, but I do hope you find this useful and informative. And if you haven't done so already guys, do me a favor, give me a like, subscribe, hit the bell notifications to be updated with all my latest contents. If you haven't subscribed to me yet, subscribe right over here. And if you'd like to check out my last two videos, they're there, go check them out, and I'll see you all in the next one.